Okay, Matt, this is for a message for the birthday boy, Billy, this coming July 8.
Ikaw na.
Oh, sige, ikaw na, ikaw na. You're fired, PLDT. Say something for the birthday boy.
Happy birthday.
Say sorry.
Sorry. Happy birthday.
Yun lang.
Love
Yeah.
you.
Love you.
May you have more birthdays to come.
Boom! Boom! Go.
Hi, Billy. I want to meet Gerard. Hi, Gerard. Happy birthday.
Oh! Oh!
Gerard! Hi, Gerard. Gerard. Birthday.
Gerard, oh yeah. Gerard.
Hi, Billy, Gerard. And Gerard, Billy. Yo, Carillo. Happy birthday.
Go.
I'm really speechless. Happy birthday. Billy, patwa mo yan sa inyo.
Pansyon. Bayaw.
Bayaw.
Bayaw. Happy birthday. Rock and roll.
Your judges is still in law.
Gerard.
Oy, yung pasabot na Gerard ha, katotong classmate. Dili ang twin.
Happy birthday!